What's going on, everybody? It's Marshall here. Today in this video I wanted to show you a quick sort of a secret function within Adobe Premiere Pro. At least it was a secret to me. I stumbled across it just sort of moving clips over the program monitor here, and just wanted to show you how you could quickly assemble a sequence within Adobe Premiere Pro using this function. So you're going to need a few clips for this. So for this, we'll use this old clip of my buddy Danny Funzalita here, and we'll do in point, which is I on the keyboard, and we'll scrub through the N and press O, and I'm just going to drag this on the timeline. So you need a few clips to do this. So now check this out. Say if I wanted to place this clip after this one, I would mark where I wanted it in, and then out. And now if you drag from here, you'll drag the audio and the footage. If you just drag here, that's video only, and this is audio only. So check this out here. This is pretty cool. So I'm going to drag them both and then hover over here. Now check this out. You see the playhead in our sequence below here? This has to match up where you want to drag this clip to. So check this out. If I want to insert it before the clip on the timeline, it inserts it before it. So we'll do a Command Z, and now we'll drag it back over. Say if I wanted to replace it, it replaces the clip that the playhead is in front of. So we'll Command Z, drag it over again. If we wanted to override it or just insert it, it'll insert it in front of where the playhead's at. And let's see, say I wanted to insert it after. Notice insert it after the clip. So we'll do that again so you can see it. And all I did was click drag to this program monitor, and say if I wanted to overlay it, looks like it just adds it to the back. But what I usually do with this is just, if I'm assembling a timeline real quick, I'll use this just to insert some quick clips. Say if I want to insert this as well, this little section will do an in and then an out point, just for an example. I usually just use this to insert before or after the playhead. This isn't like a primary thing that I use when editing, but I thought it was a cool little secret. I haven't seen many tutorials on this. Must be a part of one of the newer updates with Premiere Pro. I just thought it was sort of cool. Well, anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. Hopefully this helps teach you all something in some way. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And have a great day.